Okay, if you're planning on using the virtual camera during production, all you have to do is to come and start the virtual cam. So what it does is that it takes your program output, takes all your program output to and sends it out so that a software can pick it. Let me say a software like Zoom or like Google Meet can actually get the whole thing you are teaching as you are teaching it. So that way you can actually be working, you can be creating your slides in OBS, you can be doing other things, and it will not be affecting what your students are seeing. Because everything you're doing, your setting is in the preview session while they are seeing the program of whatever that is going on. So everything will be arranged. Maybe before the class, you've arranged all the slides, you've arranged everything in OBS, and as we are teaching, you are just pushing them in, you're just transitioning them, and they'll just be getting the whole thing verbatim. Or you can even create a scene and in such a way add a camera of yourself, an overlay of your camera of your webcam there. You can add two things like this and create an overlay of your camera just like that, and create an overlay as you're talking, something like this, and everything going in just the same class without affecting your distance. So when you go to the software, you just go and add the OBS, because the name is OBS virtual camera. That is the name of this output now. When you click on virtual cam in that software, and automatically you start seeing what you are working on in OBS. Your students will be focused. There will not be any switching of scenes, unnecessary switching of scene, or just screen capturing. That is all unnecessary. Oh, thanks for watching. This is Dream Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.